going to be a bonus video, a quick clean and decorate. I'm just showing you guys the Valentine's decor that needs to come down, and then also the junk that I have everywhere around my kitchen, the island, and the dirty dishes. So I just wanted to get all of this done really quickly, and then I was going to get on to decorating. So this was a Sunday morning, and normally I don't have a lot that I'm able to do before we go to church because we go kind of early, but on this particular day my daughters had woken me up really early, like a 4 a.m. early, and we were also going to a little bit of a later service. And so I put on some praise and worship music and I started cleaning, and it was so relaxing. So I decided to put this video to some relaxing music for you guys today. But I also just wanted to encourage you guys this morning with a verse that's been on my heart. It comes from Lamentations 3:22 and 23, and it says, "It is of the Lord's mercies that we are not consumed, because his compassions fail not. They are new every morning. Great is thy faithfulness." Another translation says, "The steadfast love of the Lord never ceases." So I just wanted to encourage you guys that no matter what you are facing today, every day is a fresh start. Every day is a new day. And I think that's why I enjoy doing things early in the morning. It's just, I love the idea of a fresh start every single day. And God has so much compassion to us that he will give us what we need to get through that day. I know we've all had a lot of things that we've had to go through in this past year that we've never dealt with in the past, and I really love the idea of a fresh start each day. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video and will just either relax and drink a cup of coffee or clean along with me and then enjoy the decorating that will come along in a few minutes.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes.
I'll just show you guys one of the horrible cabinets in my home, and this is a future project, so stay tuned for all the spring cleaning videos that I have coming, because there are a lot of things that need to get done in this house, and I have so many videos planned.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down.
So the stove was the last thing that I needed to clean up, and I was ready to go ahead and undecorate from Valentine's and go ahead and decorate for spring. So the first thing I did was this little planner box. I have these heart little picks in there, and I have a video of how I made this little planner box. I made it from some Dollar Tree signs and a piece of foam board. So I'll link that video for you guys if you're interested in how I made this. When I made this, I had planned to flip it around for spring and put like some bunnies or something on the other side, but I didn't find anything that I really liked. I found some like metal bunnies that were on a sign that I could have pulled off, but I wasn't really feeling that vibe, and so I went with a different way with it, but I might change it later on. So first of all, I'm showing you guys this tablecloth here that I got from Hobby Lobby last year in the fall, and I got it was like 75 to 90% off. Someone, they like really discounted their spring stuff during the fall time is when I got it. And then this set of 6 white ceramic bunnies I got on Amazon for $12. I think it was like $11.98, and I love them. I was looking for some little white bunnies, and they're just so pricey everywhere, and then I couldn't really find any that I actually really liked enough to pay like 20 bucks a piece for like the larger ones. So when I found these on Amazon, I was super excited. Now you guys will see this little buffalo check or gingham, whatever you want to call it, mint green and white little table runner, and I got that in the spring collection last year during the fall, 75 to 90% off also. And they also have this lamb's ear garland that I already had from last year as well, and I just wanted to see what the bunnies look like on the table, but I knew I wasn't going to be able to leave them there. I just thought they would be so cute there, but I knew my toddlers would run off with them, and I just wanted to look at it. So I knew I wasn't going to leave that there, so I just put the planter box there. And so then I had the idea to use this little carrot that I got from the dollar spot, or the bullseye, whatever they call it, thing at Target. First, I just thought that I was going to stick it on there with this sticky stuff, and that didn't work. My creative juices weren't flowing in the kitchen, so I decided to go ahead and come and undecorate in the living room and then kind of mull it over and think about it, because I kind of knew what I wanted to do in here, and so I figured I'd get started in here and then go back to the kitchen.
You are illuminating, I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the woo girls doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are.
So I knew that I wanted to put the lamb's ear and the bunnies on the mantle because I figured they'd be short enough not to block the view of the TV, but also high enough that my toddlers would not run off with the little white ceramic bunnies. I knew if those were anywhere in their reach, it would just be too tempting and the bunnies would disappear. So I am so in love with how this turned out, you guys. I think it looks so beautiful, and you definitely could leave it like this, but I personally think it needs a little bit more pop of color. I went out and I actually found this cute little sign at TJ Maxx for $5.99, and the color matched perfectly with the flowers that I have here on the side, and I'm in love with how it turned out.
Even if I told you I could never let you go, I am not so sure you believe me. But if I mean to show you, I will never.
If you guys are really enjoying this clean and decorate with me for spring video, I just want to make sure that you guys know to stay tuned for next week. I'm going to have another bonus video on Friday, March 12th, and it's going to be my spring home tour. This is going to be the very first home tour on my channel, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys the updates that we have done on our house since we moved in a little over 4 years ago, and all the updates that we have planned. So make sure that you stay tuned for that one. I'm really excited to share it with you guys.
Everything makes total sense. When you're next to, when you're next to, when you're next to me.
Definitely like this better because the other one is already falling and it made it come away from the wall. So I was gonna ask you guys which one you like better, but I think I like this better. Over there is already falling, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that to match, and then I'll give you guys a quick overview of what it looks like. I was thinking about using this twine to kind of hang the carrot also. I'm not sure. I do have this to put on. I feel like almost like this would look better. I originally made that with the idea to turn it around for spring, but I almost feel like this is just gonna look better. I don't have enough flowers to fill it, but I'm not sure. I'd have to get some more spring flowers if I was gonna do that. The only other fake flowers I have are these. I've been wanting to kind of build up my fake flower collection. I actually like this better with the way that everything else is looking, I think. I don't know. Well, if this doesn't flatten out in a couple of days, I'll try to see if I can like iron it or steam it somehow. It's kind of linen, like a linen material, so I'm not quite sure. I should have probably laid it out last night, but I didn't think about it.
So I feel like the Dollar Tree has definitely upped their game when it comes to decorations. So I got this bunny sign and also the little mat from the Dollar Tree as well. Then the little Easter basket sign that I have on in my living room, that was from the Dollar Tree as well. It's just starting to get so many items that look high end, and I just cannot wait to see what they come up with next year. There are a few other things that I want to do in the house that I just have not gotten done yet, so hopefully those will be done by the time you guys see my spring home tour, so make sure you stay tuned for that as well. If you guys really enjoyed this clean and decorate with me for spring video, if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you're not already, and make sure that you stay tuned every Monday at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for a new video, and then sometimes there will be a bonus video on like usually a Thursday or a Friday. And don't forget, I am going to have another bonus video on Friday, March 12th, which is going to be the spring home tour, so make sure you're subscribed with your notification bell on so you don't miss out.